Hey, this is Alma from AbFab Invitations with the number one tip that I have for DIY brides. Because if you DIY, you want to make sure you DIY right. So my number one tip for anyone who is doing their own design and creating their own invitations is this. You must first start with your envelope. I can't tell you how many times we had people come into our store, bring us something they created and say, I need an envelope for this. Well, envelopes are created in certain standard sizes. So if you haven't created your invitation or your object that you're mailing in a standard size that is smaller than a standard envelope, there is no envelope for it. So plenty of unhappy people ended up leaving our store not being able to find a standard envelope for their creation. So number one, D.I.RIGHT is start with your envelope. So out of these three envelopes, only one of them, this one, is a standard envelope that you would be able to find commercially. And so you're going to want to create your design, your invitation on the basis of the envelopes that you are able to supply, procure, acquire. So I hope that helps. You're going to DIY, D.I.RIGHT, and start with your envelope.
And make it absolutely fabulous with absolutely fabulous